Boom shakalaka, looks like the Fed is about to turn the money printer back on, which is what Arthur Hayes was saying would cause the next bull run. Today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at what this means for Bitcoin and how long Willy Woo thinks this cycle's accumulation phase will last. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including points of view of Arthur Hayes and Willy Woo as to where this market could head. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Also, today's episode is sponsored by chrono.tech, so stay tuned till the end for a sponsored review. Now, if we take a look at the markets today, fear at 28, you might say sideways over the past few days. If we take a look at the markets sideways over the past week, pretty much Bitcoin is a stable coin at this point. Bitcoin right now at 16,859, Ethereum at 1220, BNB at 243, XRP 35 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Cardano 25 cents, and Polygon 80 cents. And if we take a look at Bitcoin price right now, we can see these two moving averages, the 20 and 50-day moving averages, coming right now to where Bitcoin price is. The 50-day in particular, this yellow line, could potentially push Bitcoin price down towards this support line right here at the bottom of this wedge. But if we take a look right now, the Fed is running with a big operating loss. It's losing about $12 billion per week with interest expense far exceeding its interest income. Not long before the money printers turn back on. Now, this is very interesting because in a video we made about a week or two ago when this article came out, December 9th, Arthur Hayes was saying in his article PEMDAS, he argues that Bitcoin has bottomed, and then he talks about which type of cryptos he'll hold while waiting for the money printer to go burr once again. That's right, he was talking about the money printer about to go burr, and now we're seeing the chart that's saying, yes, this is very likely to happen. Now, if we take a look at this very interesting chart, this bullish divergence is setting the stage for a big run. The total funds flowing into the market made a higher low, which we can see right down here, with the S&P 500 making a lower low, which we saw right down here. The last time this happened was during the 2008 bottom. We can see a higher low right here and a lower low right here. We all know the rally that followed. It went up dramatically. Could we have another similar rally brewing? Well, right now with Bitcoin, we are finding support momentarily as the price goes sideways on this Gaussian channel mid-band. It has been Bitcoin's continuous uptrend since its birth. So far, it never failed the Gaussian channel mid-band. Will this be the first time it will fail, or will price continue to go up? Because if you take a look at some of the simplest indicators, like the 2-year MA multiplier, had you have bought Bitcoin anytime it was underneath this band and sold it anytime it was above, you would have done amazing. Amazing. Well, right now, we're seeing once again Bitcoin below the lower band. Buying now and waiting for it to be above the bigger band would be a pretty good thing to do. However, if we take a look at where we are in the psychology of a market cycle, this is a very interesting chart, a little bit different than what we've seen before, but this is the Bitcoin hodler's cheat sheet. We can see that all the halvings correlate with pretty much when there's doubt, hope, calm, maybe some optimism in the market. The peaks correlate with thrill, euphoria, things like that. The bottoms, which is right around where we are in bottoming territory, is around panic, capitulation, depression, and endurance. So we can see, not a fun area to be in right now, but you know what comes after this? Well, we have some stagnation, disbelief, doubt, hope, calm, optimism, eventually all the way back up to thrill and euphoria. It just takes a little bit of time to get there. Now, some people are saying price could go up. Some people are saying it could go down. I'm saying right now it can go sideways for as long as it continues to go sideways. But what levels could we look at if Bitcoin price does go down? Now, in the last bottom, we saw Bitcoin touching all of these lines right here. The realized price, the balance price, the proof of work price, the delta price. Just to give you an idea where we are right now, we're underneath the realized price, which is at $19,910. We are just above the balance price, $15,242. We are above the proof of work price, $12,509, and above the delta price, $11,665. So far this cycle, we have not touched the proof of work price or the delta price, and some people are thinking that it could go down to those levels before we see the end. But one thing that I mentioned in the video a couple days ago that I'm glad William Clemente is pointing out as well is that Bitcoin's volatility is at an all-time low. Bitcoin historically does not stay this low in terms of volatility. Now, the last time it went down like this, we can actually see from this chart right here that the last time it went down like this in Bitcoin bottom, it actually bounced up dramatically, and that was pretty much the bottom. Well, could this also be the bottom for 2022? It certainly could, but unfortunately we won't know until afterwards. Willy Woo chiming in right here, taking a look at this cycle compared with previous cycles on the cost basis of short-term and long-term holders, saying the main question is how long this cycle's accumulation zone will be. Judging from all the blowups, it's more akin to 2013 back here with Mt. Gox. With the Mt. Gox collapse, remember 90+% of Bitcoin was traded there. He suspects it will be longer than 2018, which is right here, but shorter than 2015. So right now, we are approaching the length that we were down this low in 2018, but he's saying it'll be somewhere in between the length we saw here and the length we saw here. So it could go on sideways for a little bit longer, which brings us to this one very interesting chart, Bitcoin versus DXY. Bitcoin has entered parabolic rally phase since DXY is losing uptrend momentum. We can see DXY here in blue, we can see Bitcoin chart in the green and red. So the price reaction of Bitcoin will repeat in correlation to DXY like in 2015. DXY hiked and Bitcoin dumped. Then DXY stopped hiking and Bitcoin bottomed, which is roughly about where we are. DXY stopped climbing and Bitcoin has bottomed. Part 3 is sideways movement for DXY and a huge rally for Bitcoin, potentially parabolic rally for Bitcoin. So that all being said, it's basically everything is waiting right now on the Fed. Once the money printers go back on, a lot of people are suspecting a lot of money will come into the markets. And like we're seeing right here, we see higher lows in funds flowing into the market right now with the price going down. This is most likely the smart money entering the markets before the main parabolic phase. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned now for the sponsored review of Chrono Tech. Now, this is a sponsored review, so clearly do your own due diligence. This is not an endorsement of the project. I'm merely going over the project, and then you can decide what to do for yourself afterwards. So if we take a look at Chrono Tech, blockchain HR software solutions using blockchain to streamline global access to work and payments. We can see right now, Time token trading at $51.71. Available on a number of known exchanges out there, all markets available on CoinMarketCap. So, fintech company focusing on HR solutions for business. They believe that blockchain technology is the key to unlocking a new world of employment opportunities that anyone can access wherever they are in the world and ensuring they're paid promptly and fairly. Founded in 2016, 5 products so far. Here's the token supply and the number of employees. Right now, you can stake your time tokens and earn rewards. As a matter of fact, there's a 30-day fixed promotion enjoying an APR of 72% on KuCoin. If you're interested, there will be links to this down in the description. Now, you can lock your time token in a time warp smart contract to receive regular rewards. You can increase your earnings by committing to longer lockups, and additional benefits are job mining and premium account status on LaborX. A few other things about Chronotech: building a comprehensive ecosystem for HR and finance, helping reduce or eliminate the barriers to recruitment and payment processes for both workers and employers. So they have a few products out there. One of the more popular ones is LaborX, a global recruitment platform that connects individuals with work opportunities wherever they're based in the world and enables them to get paid in crypto. The software enables efficient transfers and robust protections for both parties. There's also TimeX, a plasma-based exchange. The platform combines both centralized and decentralized technologies, offering the best of both worlds in terms of speed, security, cost, and protection against front-running and illegal activities. There's PaymentX, an automated cryptocurrency payroll solution for your business. Pay the team using crypto in one click. Send and receive professional invoices, set up regular payment dates, all quickly and conveniently. And AUDT, a fiat-backed stablecoin underpinning with 100% reserve of Australian dollars, meaning that each AUDT can be redeemed for real Australian dollars on a one-to-one basis at any time. If we take a look, here are some completed milestones over the past few years. They've planned, funded, developed, and launched a suite of blockchain and cryptocurrency-based products designed to revolutionize the world of recruitment and HR. Some things that have happened recently: in September, Time on Polygon launch; in August, partnership with Crypto Gaming United; in June, on Binance Smart Chain launch; and also the TomWarp launch back there in May. If we take a look here at the blog, there's a few things that they've done recently with listings on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, closing a $30 million funding round, and Chronotech's 2021 wrap-up. We can see a list of some partners right here and answers to some frequently asked questions right there. Now, a little bit more about The project, they were founded in 2016 with the vision of transforming the way individuals access jobs and businesses connect with contractors. Their mission, they were founded in 2016 with the aim of making short-term employment opportunities as easy to access as any other online service. The company empowers HR and recruitment professionals with blockchain technology, as well as enabling global freelancers to secure the best jobs and make sure they're paid quickly and fairly. The vision is for a world in which anyone can work and find businesses can find the people they need, circumventing the middleman cost inefficiencies of the conventional recruitment sector that so often proves a barrier to employment. So things they have going on right now until the 27th. So you have another 2 days for this. You can take part in this 30-day fixed promotion, enjoy an APR of 72%. Stake to enjoy an APR of 72%. Also, if we take a look right now on CoinMarketCap, trading at 52.13 is Chrono. You can find out more information like the website right here. Market cap right now 37 million, volume 780,000 in 24 hours, and a circulating supply 710,112 time token. Now, if we take a look at the chart right here, you can see it has had some spikes, and you can kind of take a look at the chart for yourself there. So some other things that they did want to mention in this review. So time token will soon be listed on 3 top exchanges. Until December 27th, you can stake time token at 6% per month or 72% per annum. LaborX service is releasing a powerful update, which entails an increase in time token cost and community growth. A duplicate token called Time on Gate.io is not to be confused with this Time token. And right now you can buy Time token on QuickSwap, CoinX, Gate.io, PancakeSwap V2, KuCoin, and QMall. So guys, that is all today for chrono.tech. If you are interested to check this out, I will put a link down in the description. You can follow that, check out chrono.tech, and also don't forget about you have another 2 days to take advantage of this 72% APR. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sponsoring the video, chrono.tech, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.